The good news is that astronomers just found a hidden black hole. The bad news? There's over 100 million stealthy black holes like it in our galaxy alone. Scientists at the National Astronomical Observatory of Japan published their discovery in Astrophysical Journal letters. The intermediate mass black hole was found after they noticed a gas cloud moving strangely, about 25,000 light-years from Earth. They used high-resolution observations and discovered it was swirling around an invisible massive object. And since black holes don't emit light, astronomers have to speculate where they are based on the effect their gravity has on other objects. Interestingly, this black hole is only 20 light-years from the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way, and one day we'll be sucked into it.